Welcome back, friends. In this video, I'll show you how to install latest version of Microsoft Excel in computer for free. As you can see in the screen, this Excel software I have installed in my laptop for free, and it is the latest version. Let me show you some of the latest functions and tools. Let me close this window and show you the Microsoft Excel application in the Applications window. This is the Excel application. Let me click on it to open. Click on Create Blank Worksheet. This is the Excel application, which is 100% free and the latest one. Let's start learning how to install latest Excel in the computer. First, open any internet browser. Here I'm opening Microsoft Edge. In the web address bar, put cloud.microsoft.com/Excel. Here, you need to log in into your Microsoft account. If you already have Microsoft account, put the account information and log in. If not, you can create a Microsoft account for free. After signing in, you will get this screen. Click on Create Blank Workbook. This opens the Microsoft Excel application. To install this application in computer, click on this 3 dots in the browser. Click on More Tools, Apps. Then click on Install this site as an app. Click on Install button. Application installed. Let me deselect this pin to taskbar option. Click on Allow button. Close these windows. Now, in the Start menu, you should see Excel application. Click on it to open. If you want to open the workbooks that you previously created, you can see them here in this section. To create a fresh new workbook, click on this option. Now you can start working in the latest version of Excel. Since this is the web version of Microsoft Excel, you need to have the active internet connection while working. Thank you so much for watching. To learn more, you can visit this channel page and browse Excel-related video playlists. See you in next video.